Hi everyone, good morning. This is Bagadon at Stock Market Caddy. Today is Monday, November 15th at 9:17 a.m. We wanted to share with you our trading plan for the day. It's important to have a trading plan regardless of whether you're a swing trader, but particularly if you're an intraday trader. What is our plan today? It's simple. We're going to trade two markets, the NQ futures contract, 1 mini, in the ES futures contract. The NQ is going to be running automated, fully automated on a Kagi chart. The Kagi chart is set at 3 points, 1 tick. The strategy it's running is the bow tie, SMC bow tie advanced with AI, an artificial intelligent option. What is that? This AI feature is going to adjust automatically the frequency, the settings to the bow tie as volatility expands and contracts. The idea is when the market moves into a period of chop, the settings on the bow tie are going to tighten up with the market, keeping losses and profits very small. When the market expands, as we know it will from a period of chop, the settings, the AI function, will also expand or reduce the frequency so that we're sure to capture those big fat fish and get them on the boat. That is the idea. We'll keep you posted. Well, we're going to tape it for you. The ES contract will be running on a different chart and a different strategy. It will be running on a point and figure chart set at 2 points, pretty small, and a 2-box reversal, running a strategy, a beta strategy that we have been working on for now a few months. It's called the HFT2, High Frequency Trader 2 on the ES. Now the HFT2 is meant to be a fairly quick trading strategy, but when it's running on point and figure, it is more methodical. So you won't see as many trades, or we shouldn't see as many trades. The maximum loss is not hard-coded. We do now have the capacity to put in, or you, or our members do, to put in their account and set profit and loss daily objectives to their account. So our maximum loss expectation is approximately $1,000, but I did not set a stop feature at my account level. Reason being is I feel very confident that if we do draw down $1,000 or so, that with some active management, taking some profits a little bit sooner than I ordinarily would, I can get myself back to par, and I can once again back away from any intervention where the strategies are doing the bulk of the heavy lifting. So the machine will be putting in all of the trades. It will be taking all of the losses. I will be intervening in taking profits where I deem it necessary. I will do it more frequently if we get close to the 1,000 mark so I can get myself back to par. When we get to par, I will do the best I can to sit on my hands and let the machine do what it's designed to do. The maximum trading time will be 4 hours, but I reserve the right and the opportunity to reduce and keep my time in the market as short as possible. We want to maximize our profit factor and minimize our time in the market. So let's get started. Oh, by the way, we will at the conclusion condense down whatever time we've been trading to just minutes and then comment in the last minute on how we ended our trading session for the day. I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. Stay with us. Okay, so we have sped up. The trading wasn't this fast, trust me. It was actually very, very slow. You can see down below, this is our unrealized profit and loss, and this is our realized P&L. And it moves so quickly. We actually had a drawdown. We had a run up of some several $100s, then rather quickly in 15 to 20 minutes, and then ultimately had a drawdown of about $1,100. And I had to come in and do some intervention to clean up that drawdown and get myself back to par where I could lean more heavily and more patiently on the strategies and on the machine. The market was very, very choppy, so we had to be very patient, and it was just a beautiful exercise in letting the machine do your trading. Now, the tools you might be interested in what we're using here. This is the Kagi chart on the NQ, and it's a specialized view, and it also has what we call the SMC dual fairway, and we're using the GPS distant momentum indicator. And this is what helps me to decide, and there's the big break, and to decide whether or not we should be taking profit a little bit early. Again, I'm not managing the losses. The machine is managing the losses. The machine is managing the entries. So we had a nice pullback off of our lows. We now have $1,700 in the bank. We have one little drawdown. And this trading has been coming approximately 3 hours. And you're going to see here in a moment. And the GPS distant here is a little bit wider looking because we're running the ES on a point and figure. And so not nearly as many trades, not nearly as quick as the Kagi view. If you like this approach, and you're going to see us come in here and document the time and the profit. If you like this approach to trading, mechanical, where you don't have to be hunting and pecking, you just need to learn. You need time with the machine and learn to manage your time. And there we are, 12:04, 3-hour run time, 2 markets, 1562.